No matter what project you're working on, you should always color grade using an adjustment layer. This lets you color grade without nesting clips and keeps everything non-destructive. Right-click on the project panel, then select New Item and choose Adjustment Layer. Click OK and keep the default settings. A plain adjustment layer will appear. Alternatively, at the bottom of the project panel, click the New Item icon and select Adjustment Layer. Keep the default settings, click OK, and a plain adjustment layer will appear. Drag and drop the adjustment layer directly onto your timeline, above your video clip. Stretch the adjustment layer so it covers the entire clip you want to color grade. Now switch back to the color panel so you have more room to work. From here, apply your color grading effects to the adjustment layer and they'll affect everything underneath it. That's it. You now have a clean, flexible way to color grade your footage. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.